Honey, I'm ready to learn, and today I'm not leaving until you explain exactly how to cleanse my crystals. Of course, let's delve into the process of cleansing crystals with the power of sunlight. The sun possesses vital energy that can not only uplift your spirits, but also to cleanse and charge your crystals. Finally, some information! If you decide to use sunlight to cleanse your crystals, follow these steps carefully. First, find a safe, sunny spot to place your crystals in the sun. Find a safe, sunny spot. Place them gently in the sunlight, ideally at 10 a.m. for the sun's optimal energy. Always keep in mind that the ideal amount of time to cleanse your crystals in the sunlight does depend on how much negative energy is entrapped in your crystals. I can't wait to go outside and cleanse my crystals. You know what? I'm going to go outside right now. Tani, stop!